Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Google Chrome is blocking your access to a website with a clock error, it means the browser detects a discrepancy between the server certificate and your local system time. I will show you exactly how to fix your time settings and bypass this warning right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause of this specific certificate error is an unsynchronized local operating system clock. Right-click the time and date display located in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Ensure the Set Time Automatically toggle switch is turned on so Windows can manage your time zone. Click the Sync Now button to forcefully update your system clock with the official time server. Next, if your time is perfectly accurate but the error remains, your operating system's certificate cache is likely corrupted. Press the Windows key, type Internet Options, and press Enter to open your system network properties. Navigate to the Content tab located near the top of the Properties window. Click the button labeled Clear SSL State and click OK to completely reset your secure connection data. Finally, if you urgently need to access the website while troubleshooting, you can force Chrome to bypass the block. Click anywhere on the blank space of the Chrome error page to ensure the browser window is actively selected. Type the exact phrase, "This is unsafe," directly on your keyboard without pressing the Enter key. Chrome will instantly register this hidden developer override and automatically load the unverified website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.